God, is that warm? Goodness. Oh, is that delicious? Good morning, Mike. Why do I keep getting this? Collector, yo Cakez. Just wanna say I'm sorry for lying on stream. I was like, yeah, I can finish Cake City in 3 days. He stole my fucking Sprite. I did some checking now and it's really not like that. I guess I didn't really take into account how long it's gonna take to implement all the systems you have. That said, I just wanna let you know it's probably gonna take me 1 day, not 3. I already implemented half your game and it took me like less than 2 hours. Oh my god, what is wrong with this guy, man? What is fucking wrong with this guy? Okay, what did you do? This is so bad. What are you talking about? What a fucking... I gotta know, is that pixel art you created yourself? No, it's not. I know this tree. He took the pixel art himself. Free demo by... yeah, exactly. 360 tiles to give a taste of the world of Solaria. Exactly. He didn't make those himself. Wishlist link? Shut the fuck up. Collector did what I said I would. If Dumbo got me angry, a saint no less. Actually gonna delete this message. This is spam. Good. I don't know who this Dumbo is. Hello Cakez, hello Enex, good morning. Hello my guys, hello Raticide, Mickey Maven. Hope you're doing good. Guys, I'm fucking destroyed, man. Like, it is so unbelievably hot in this fucking room. I'm just dying. And on top of that, I didn't sleep at all. It's a great day. It's a great fucking day. Yeah. Dead life. Yeah. Hello, Enex. Good morning. Hello there, Zoe's dad. Early today. Oh, hello, Ramus. Long time no see. You guys. My guys. My brothers. Would you like to see something cool? Would you like to see something really cool? You have air conditioner? Air conditioner, bro. Dude, I can't even pay my bills. No. I would love to have one. Just how cool are we talking? Ooh. Cool level like over 9,000 minimum.
Long live chaos. Esports,
nice game, collector of stuff.
Online casino, sports betting.
Nice
scam,
game.
Fixed match.
That you made
High
there.
hell doesn't exist. Don't
Very
be
cool
afraid
game.
of death and you'll be stronger. Turn on your faucet every
Someone
night
is
and
at the
never
door.
turn it off. Add bleach to the food and throw it in the forest and in the sea with the plastic. The money will come to you.
Bro, it took me 2 hours. I should finish it and release before you, or maybe wait for your demo so I could rip your sprite asset from it.
Good morning, Senor Cakez.
Hello. Good morning.
Cakes.
So I saw your shitty excuse of a game, bro. I saw your shitty excuse of a game. Stolen assets, not only from myself, but from the internet. Shitty placement of roads. Like the trees are literally on top of the road. Okay. And you don't even have code to handle what happens when this guy reaches the last point. So you're pretending, and this guy's not even animated at all. It's just a fucking image floating that doesn't even flip into the correct direction that he's walking in. You're challenging me? Are you sure you want to do that? How about you make your own assets, your own game, your own idea? Huh? Looking good,
Hello.
Cakes? Fucking cringe, my brother. I'd rather use yours. Ah, I see, because you can make it yourself, huh? Learn from the best, yoink. I never stole a single asset in my life, bro. Not a single time. Okay, sir? You're totally wrong. So anyways, guys, you want to see something cool? I root for Cakes on this one. Yeah, I know I'm better than he is. You literally copied and changed colors? Never. When? Which asset? Show me asset with picture and show me the original one. So guys, I had some time yesterday and I did this right here. Now nothing much changed in terms of visuals here, but you might notice something about this menu. It looks a little bit different. Not sure if you can tell what's going on here, but there's a gradient happening in the background now. Your ifs and for loops looking shit, Cakes. Oh, you wanna challenge me, bitch? You actually wanna challenge me? You little fucking bitch. Is that your first message? You wanna get banned? I didn't sleep much, bro. You're gonna be the first casualty today? Let's see. 133 messages. 222. I'm doing it. You wanna make a game with C and Raylib? I want to make a game. Are you not working on your game anymore, by the way? Curious what's happening. Distributed denial of profit. Cake W. Fair enough. Unity might bankrupt you on this game, SMH. Okay. Okay. No, I'm not done yet, Rames. I am not done yet, sir. I'm not done yet. Okay? I'm not done yet. Now there's something I did off stream, which you remember from yesterday, right? We did the string, stat to string thing, which for every stat, now I have a very nice list for what the stat
Am I so out of touch?
in terms of strings brings with itself.
Raticide is gifting 1 sub to the
Which makes it
community.
much... Thank you. Oh, Raticide. Why are you gifting a sub to this guy? Dude, I appreciate it though. Thank you. Fucking toxic guy. So I did that. This is purely like nothing gameplay, but this allows me to scale the system better with adding more stats in the future. On top of that, I also sorted the stats properly. So for example, right here, like they are now all together, which makes it easier for me to add another stat because I just need to copy essentially these 4 together and then add them in the correct order. But, this is not everything. I also changed this editor. I now have a much cleaner editor with me that allows me to properly select certain abilities and things and edit the stats a little better than before. It is all much cleaner now. And it allows me to develop the game a little bit better now, because what I need to do is build a skill tree next. And that's what I did off stream all yesterday. And I can now add gradients to menus. Yes, it's not really that cool.
Like Cakez.
But I can add it to this menu. I can add it to this menu here without the need of needing to do anything special. More progress on a single afternoon off stream than a whole month on stream. Yeah, but it was UI. UI is easy. Now use your spiff new tooling to get a playable build into the hands of someone. Yes, so that's what we're gonna do. But before I do this, I'm gonna do a little bit more UI, because I feel like I enjoy a lot. I enjoy working on UI a lot. You know, what can I say? What can I say? So what I'm gonna do here now is quickly draw another UI piece, and then we are actually going to do some changes to the skill tree. Yes. Good morning, Duckingel. How's it going? How do you check if a skill can be unlocked? Do you have programmed these connections between the skill to work that way? Yes, I did. And hello, Inukai. Wait, you stuck with your shit solution? Oh well, guess you will rework it next year. The solution is not shit. What are you talking about? The solution is good. It's a very good solution. You're totally wrong. So I'll show you why that's a good solution and why you're wrong, even. What a noob. I just don't know what to say. Poor man's map. Cakez front and dev confirmed. Cakez have finished the talent tree UI this morning. Took like 20 minutes. Also added some new skill. Yeah, sure you did. So this is the menu. And then over here we have the contents. And so that means I want to do the gradient here. Sorry about that. So essentially what I need to do is I made a sprite for a gradient, and now we need to have a window center. And then I guess it's upgrade menu size. X and Y. Wait a minute. Upgrade menu size times menu T. And obviously I need to remove some stuff here. Which in this case I think it would be 8 or 6. I think it's 8 though. No angle. And then the contents need to be put in layer 2. So this has got to be 3. So now there should be a gradient in here, which is difficult to tell, but I think there is now. It's difficult to tell, but I think there's a gradient in there now. So it looks like 8 is wrong, so that's got to be 6 then. That's bad, not touching that. That's fine, I'll use the words you use, just wait, okay. I like working on UI, I need more people like you in the world, so the rest of us will never have to touch UI ever again. I think the reason why I like working on UI is because it's easier for me. Guys, does this look like a gradient to you guys? No? It's very faint, is it? To be completely honest, it would be kind of funny if Collector threw out a demo before Cakez does. What gradient? Inukaya told him to get checked for those burps. He's possessed. So the gradient, by the way, is this. Looks like this. Let's see. You know, I get some cool ideas sometimes in the evening. Maybe this is better. Now it definitely looks like a gradient, for sure. Looks a little bit better. Bro, can you zoom out the sprite sheet so I can see the entire thing? Pause champ. Shut the fuck up. Calmest German ever. So, now we are going to actually, guys, we're going to go straight into it. We're going to go actually and do gameplay programming. We're going to work on this skill tree. And yesterday, there's one last UI thing that I have to do, which is I need to give the node a name. Or I need to somehow connect the node to a name. And I don't know how I want to do that. So for example here, they all say shield orbs all the time. I really like the heading here for this. Looks really cool in my opinion. And I would like to keep this for mostly everything actually. And so I need to figure out a way to name this heading. Name, how about Steven? Shield Mastery. And so I was thinking about giving the first stat a name and then using that name as the primary name. So for example, you know how yesterday, and I don't think that's a shit solution, I think it's a great solution, you fucking moron, okay? I think the string stat name max health, this one right here, life could be used in the game Let me find this. Draw nodes right here. And then we check if a node is hot. There you go. And if it is a start ability, then it gets the heading from or let's call it the name from the string function of stat description, stats.values, node, start bundle, wait, I have it in a second, node, start bundle dot target stats on 0, string to, stat to string, stat to string, stat to string is stat to string on node stat bundle dot target stats on 0, and then otherwise there is going to be no name, and so it's going to be none. So by default it's going to be none in not blue. Yeah. Why is this complaining? Stats to string, maybe? Stat to string. Why is this complaining here? Of type const, stat to string. What? No viable overloaded no viable overloaded operator for type const. Legally speaking, if you stream the sprite sheet, is it still your copyrighted material, correct? Does knowingly streaming it live hurt that argument at all? No. If I stream the development of my game, it's still my game. Exactly, just like Rames says. Copyright does not go away just because I stream it. So I did that yesterday, man. What the fuck is going on? I have a const expression. Why does this work? Then it doesn't work here. I hate const, you know. Const is the worst bullshit that was ever invented. See, now it's complaining that stat type... Wait. I'm a moron, actually. I'm actually a moron. Sorry about this, guys. I'm actually a moron. There you go. So, now we got a stat to string, and then we can use that stat to string to get the name. And then we draw the name here. And then this would be draw heading. There you go. Wanted to quickly add that in so that we are actually just finished with this. Very nice. Now it's complaining. Heading. Huh? Huh? Guys, I literally slept like 2 hours. What the fuck's going on? Huh? Wait a minute. Huh? Haha. Okay, sorry about this. Yeah. There you go. Heading? Heading? Where does that say heading? Heading. There you go. Hey, Coward, if you're so confident that Collector can't do it, you should give him access to your sprite sheet. Or are you afraid, Chicken77? No, I wouldn't give him access to my sprite sheet, because are you stupid? Are you actually dumb? I just don't know, like, what the fuck are these people talking about? Are you stupid?
Long life Chaos. Game demo. Marketing. Steam Next Fest. All scam. Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger. Good game will sell nonetheless. The money will come to you.
Guys, do you think this is good or is it like twice as much? Should I not have the naming here? Do you think the naming is essentially overdoing it. I feel like it's useless. If you're scared, boy, just say so. Shut up, Inukai. Oh, juicy. Yeah, you got it. You got it, my brother.
Gotcha, bitch.
See you in 5 minutes. Here you go.
Gotcha, bitch.
See you in 5 minutes. What? 2 times is useless. Yeah, pull up PoE and see how they do it. True. You actually got me right. You actually got that right. It's too much to have attack speed title and then attack speed again in the description. Yeah, it is. You are right, sir. Let's see. Actually doing it? Of course doing it. Of course. Why wouldn't I? Huh? It's called research. And you can start PoE like literally in a second. Attack speed. That's how they have it in PoE. Art of the Gladiator. Dexterity. Intelligence. Dexterity. Flask duration. Flask duration. Tincture effect. Tincture effect. Flask and tincture effect. You can fit all of that inside the box itself, yeah. Should be a category in the box. It should be a category, yes. I told you yesterday that this is a bad idea. Like, what will you do when you have a node that gives 2 or 3 passives? Giga name. Yeah, I know what you mean. I do know what you mean. Well, it's fine. I can always do an if false. And turn it off for now. No, wait, actually. Where is it drawing this? Your effects are simple. Just list them in the box without the name. It's okay if an upgrade effect does more more state. It's okay if an upgrade does affect more state, but you are doing singular upgrades, right? No, not all the time. Is it really 7? Let's add another stat. Maybe the text size? Do I change the text size here? Ah, this one's a bit bigger. I mean... I kind of want to have a heading here. Well, we'll see. We'll see. It's okay. Okay, so anyways. So yesterday what we did, and I'm very happy that I, finished the skill tree or made the skill tree a bit better today because of that. I can now affect shield orbs using projectile speed. So now what I want to do is essentially turn projectile speed into something that you want to invest in the skill tree. And I was thinking about, well, I can go both ways, right? I could say, well, plus 50%, or I could say minus 50%. Well, what does minus 50% do? Let's get some points, save this, and then go here. And, you know, train. Also, what you guys noticed, hopefully you do, you know, you like apart from these lines are not showing up properly, you can see that now because of the gradient, the skill tree becomes a little bit more visible, what you can train and what you can't train. And so I suppose I'm just gonna start with this today. We're going to draw a route using a tutorial that we will then repeat in the skill tree. And I hope that this will work out the way I envision this working out. So I'm going to make a new 16 or maybe 8 width by 16 or 32. We'll have to see. It's gonna be a long route, and we're going to take a tutorial from the internet, which is what I usually do when I tell people how to learn pixel art. I tell them to go gamedev pixel art to this website right here, blog.studiominiboss.com/pixelart, and then there is, I think we can search for wood. I think there was more wood than this. Let me see. This one was good too. I think this one is nice, really cool. Maybe we'll do this. I really like that effect. But maybe there's more. So let's download this already. Let's call it wood tutorial. Do we have a wood tutorial already? I don't think we do. Hello, Mr. Cakez. How are you doing on this fine day? Good. Thanks for asking, good host. I really appreciate it, bro. I've never yoinked an ass at ever, Cakez, 10 minutes ago. What is this? Guys, are you stupid? Are you actually stupid? Or do you just wanna... I'm getting a coffee, man. Fuck this shit. Oh. Can't believe these guys. It's insane, man. Like, I'm pretty sure this is on purpose. So, like, how can you call this yoinking if it's literally learning from a tutorial on how to draw something and then drawing this particular thing yourself? Huh? Working on UI, not gameplay again? I will work on gameplay again, but this is something I wanted to do in a long time. And I'm just gonna do it, because after I'm done with this, I will actually be done with the look of the skill tree. I'm locking the look of the skill tree in, and listen, man, making a game is working on all aspects of the game, okay? And if I happen to work on UI again, then that is how it is, okay? It is how it is. A tower defense game, there we go. This is what I was looking for. This stuff right here looks really good. I like that. So, save as. Let's call this... What does it even do? Wait a minute. What is this called? Vegetation Part 2. Okay. Vegetation number 2. Did you try cannabis yet? No, I didn't. But I would like to try this in the future. I told you yesterday that this is a bad idea. Like, what will you do when you have a node that gives +2 or 3 passives? Oh, actually saw that. You could do it like in Last Epoch, where passives have a unique name. So instead of having 2 projectile speeds in a row, you can have a single node that is a levelable called... Captain Clown... See you in 5 minutes. Bitch. People just don't learn. It's ridiculous. But it's fine. It's fine. People just don't learn. Oh! Could be louder. Should be louder, bro. Wait a minute. It's not loud enough. By the way, this application, when you open this up, I'll show you. It actually uses... Can't find it. Am I blind? Am I blind? Why is this still on? I closed this like yesterday. What the like these fucking applications, man? Go away. There you go. Actually... Okay, so it's lying right now, but it uses a lot of CPU. GPU, actually. Used to use a lot of GPU. Not sure why. Oh god, it stinks. Alright, so we have all of the stuff that we need.
Gotcha, bitch.
We are going to make vegetation today. Ladies and gentlemen, vegetation. Okay, we're going straight into it. Tutorials. Vegetation... Part 2, I think, is the best. Or wood tutorial, one of the two. Both of them are perfectly fine. I really like this here. But maybe this one is better. I think we're gonna try this first. So, what type of root do I need? We'll go with... where's my skill tree? I feel like doing this color here. So we need to use this. Then we just do a... I don't know. And it needs to repeat, obviously, in both ways, right? It's not going to be like the craziest looking route, of course. But let's see. Does this even work? I don't think it does. Alright, and then what is this? View, tiled and y-axis. So does this look like a route to you guys? I think it does. And then we can do Control G. This is the middle part. And then I'm just going to add in, let's do some shading here, these two. Just gonna add in some shading. So how does it do it? How does it do shading properly? It looks like... This looks really bad, does it? It tells you wood has the texture with many almost parallel grooves like these. Skulls use the shadow color. Sulks use the shadow color and don't appear in low contrast areas. Okay. I mean, we could try this again. So what does that mean? If I wanted to create some sort of... I think this looks kind of nice. I'm looking here to the right. I think I got something here. And then out of this, I can use an even darker color to create like one or two Huh? Dude, man. Guys, anyone knows German? Was heißt Gülle in English? What is Gülle in English? There is literally a car that is going down into like the Abwasser manure, the Abwasserkanal, and they are pumping the shit up. They're basically they are getting out all of the shit from the drainage, and it's smelling like, oh my god. Septic tank, it's crazy. That's what they're doing right now. I feel like I need to replace this color with a darker green than what I have. My artistic, whatever you call that, tells me that I should do this. All right, so this is going to be my root, okay? And I hope that it's not too thick, like my penis, so that we can put it in the game. Let's put it here. So this is going to be the new route that we're going to repeat. And I hope that it will work out the way I envision this. Right, so this is the skill tree, and we're going to replace these lines right now. Okay, and obviously I need of course, we need to replace some of the colors. Let's try this. Why didn't you paint it black? Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. You're right. I'll try to do that better. Well, yeah, you're right, sir. Thank you, the mayo. Oh, shit. Good idea, brother. Already walked paths. Could have leaves. No, wait. Already walked paths. Could have leaves. Trash root. Not even gonna yoink that. I'm not gonna ban you this time. It's fine. I'm actually not gonna ban you. Dude, I write tons of toxic messages that don't get timed out, even though they should. But the one time I write a valid suggestion, your 2 brain cells overlooked. No. Overloaded, and you tapped me out for that.
Subscribed.
Prawn 2 hours of sleep and no food chill.
Check Discord DMs.
My man, AQ, thank you. So much. Resubscription with Prime. Thank you so much for the big fucking support, my man. I really appreciate it. You know, you're making this a reality. Starting from a dream to a reality, bro. Out MP3. Wait. The first 10 seconds sounds really nice. Could fit into your game. Assuming you like it, Necropolis AD could use it as a reference. Wait a minute. You made a song? You actually made a song, bro? Yo, put it in resources. No, it's AI. Okay.
Long live chaos.
The first part is actually not bad, yeah. But to be honest, I don't want to confuse him with too much. I really appreciate it. Should I listen to the rest? Fine, we'll listen to it. I really appreciate it. We'll listen to the song once. I appreciate it. You go out of your way and we're gonna listen to the song. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Long Live Chaos and this fucking... Oh god. Fine. I'm gonna program this in while we wait.
Steam next fest. Oh, scam. Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger. Good game will sell nonetheless. The money will come to you. Nonetheless, the money will come to you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger.
Nice lyrics, but my AI is better. Wait a minute. You're telling me that you have been using AI to make this? No way. Absolutely not. Wait a minute. There's no way. Don't tell me, please. I meant my brain? Okay. Isn't it obvious, Cakes? So he said that this one could be a very nice beginning for a new song. So here's a hot take, or here's what I wanted to say. This is my favorite song. This is my favorite song. I'm gonna use this song for my game too. Yo, top dog, add some gats to this game. Let's not make it too loud or you guys get angry. Complain about it. Why no master volume, by the way? Oh, I can have that later. I will have master volume later. It's all in development at the moment. So, yeah. We'll be there later. Okay, so, let's see. Display skill tree. And then down here we have the content. And then we, at some point... actually wrong. Actually totally wrong. Content is not the one I'm looking for. Because the first one is the skill tree editor. This one is the one I'm looking for. Notes. We draw the notes. Display description if hot. And then there's got to be draw connections here somewhere. And these are the draw connections. And so we are drawing a line. Okay. Now, I think you can use a sprite ID here. And we can actually repeat this, right? If we repeat this, is that correct? No? Pretty sure there is. There's got to be. Let's mark this as A and then draw line. Sprite. Get transform. It looks like it is not repeating. There's no repeat. Fuck. By the way, why do we have so much code in one script? Gotta be cluttered and hard to find stuff, Cakes. No? Actually not true. I can see why you're saying this though. The way I manage to find my stuff is through these local scopes. Because he doesn't listen. What does voids do? Void is basically a non-type return, essentially. Void is no type. Shit, and we also have repeat here. So, how do we do this? If I draw a line and I'm repeating it, I need to do a for loop. We get the sprite here. Alright, let's first... It's fine. These are the sprites. Then over here we do dot... Animation index is animation index. Const int... No. Const int animation index is this. And then we do if this is the case. Wait, if it's allocated and the connected node is allocated, then it's gonna be 1. Otherwise, it's 0. Yeah. There we go. Then we have the animation index here. In this case, I would like to draw root. Sprite UI roots. I wanna draw the center to the connection center. And then I wanna use the animation index. There you go. 50% of his code is dead, probably. Wrong. You're wrong. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, but... Not sure why this is complaining. Oh, probably because it's in the wrong location. There you go. Good. Now, let's take a look at how this looks in the game. That's a bit thick, I have to... Oh god, okay. Oh, that's fine. It's not good, bro. It's too thick. That is thick. Sir. That is very thick. Fuck. Package delivery today. Can't wait for them to tell me I wasn't home. Oh yeah, they do that all the time. Mirror it horizontally and vertically randomly every time so it looks different. Good idea. Smart. I'm gonna have to redo the route, guys. It looks terrible. I hate it. It sucks. Yeah. Okay, we'll do this again. Just tinier, I guess. So we start out with normal. Ah, man. Sad. Let's get rid of this. Let's do something like this. Fine. Shading. And I guess we'll do this. I mean, there's not much really you could do, can you? In terms of shading. That's essentially it. Really. Yeah, great. Okay, get rid of this. Okay, so now we turn this dark. And the other one bright. That's it. Cakez, what about using Blue 3D devs to make some nice looking roots for your UI? Asking. Why is this still so thick? This doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any fucking sense, bro. It's literally like 2 pixels thick, brother. This one's stretched like a motherfucker. This one too. I'm a little late to stream today. Is this collector TD clone? See you in 5 minutes. Fucking spreading lies. Alright. Let's see. Quad size. Line length. I actually want to do 32 here. For now. And then sprite size in X. Let's see what this looks like. This is not correct. Huh? Why does this look so bad? Huh? What the fuck? I've never been timed out before. Will you give me the honors? Sure, how long do you want to get timed out for? Huh? Okay, so this does look correct. It does look correct, but why the fuck is it wrong when I rotate this? Maybe it's not. It just looks weird. Why does this look so bad when it's rotated? How is this so fucked up? Huh? What is this doing? Eh? You choose? 30 seconds, the mayor gives good input. Cakez? Yeah, he is. Okay, fine. I'll see you. I can only do 1 minute. See you in a minute, okay, Mr. Zumeo? See you in 1 minute, bro. There you go. No sound for 1 minute. There is sound for 1 minute. I wasn't expecting these issues. I was expecting just to draw this and then be done. I didn't think this would be such an issue. So what I'm gonna do now is essentially... Oh, I know why. It's drawing a two-way connection. That's why it looks so bad. It's drawing the connection from one ID to the other. So essentially, I can fix this by saying if the sub node ID is greater than the connected ID, then we just continue. Basically, only draw a connection between... Only draw a connection between two nodes once. Lesser to higher. Right, so if... Yeah. This would fix a lot. Huh? What the fuck? Does this even happen? It doesn't even happen. Did I not build? Huh? Hey, I just don't understand.
Thank you, Zmayo, for 100 bits.
My man, thank you.
Cheer 100, I'm free. Ha ha.
Thank you so much for the big support. I really appreciate it. Zmayo, my man. 10% programming, 90% fixing problems. Wait a minute. So we go through all of the connections in the node. And so whenever a connection from my node to the other node okay, so essentially what we do here is this. We basically put this here. We need to put it here. So if the node ID... Stop it! Sorry. Really annoying. Okay, there you go. So yeah, this time it works. It does work. Foo, cool. All right, so this is already half of what we need. Okay, good. Now, the next thing I need to do is go into the rendering interface instead of 32. Undo a bunch of stuff. Use the line length, then these are stretched. Correct? Yes. Now they are stretched. Which obviously looks bad, right? So how do we do this stuff in a for loop where if we have to repeat the texture, which is what we're doing, it's a rendering option. I think I can do this in the shader. In the fragment shader. What if we have repeat? I think I have this done in the .frag opaque.frag. Repeat. It takes the texture coordinates, cancels out the offset, then scales it. Yeah. Then modulos those. Okay. Let's see if I can put this in here too. Where did I put this? Very far at the top, didn't I? Did your herpes explode, Cakez? I think my herpes is starting to heal already, yeah. Can you fucking stop the bloody song from repeating over and over and over again? I like this song. What's your problem, bro? Like, you're the only person that's complaining about this. Then we listen to this shit. To this shit! Can you fucking stop that bloody song? No. I'm pretty sure, guys on YouTube, did you like the song? Now it's quiet, right? You liked the song, didn't you? Is putting some of your code in local scopes instead of making a separate class for them more efficient? It is not more efficient. It is, in my opinion, if you don't need to use the code in a different place, in my opinion, it makes it more local to the function, and you are less prone to reusing a function for the same purpose that is similar yet different. UV scale is a common variable to have in a shader. Yeah. You think so? So what I would need to have is, we have local UVs already, we have the sprite size already. So then I just need to know the actual texture coordinates. I think I have everything I need. Unless the sprite size. Sprite size is the transform not size. Perfect. I don't know, man. Like, I'm going to make a playlist out of Necropolis songs and then we're just gonna play them in the future. Asking YouTube when Inuka is like 90% of the viewers there. No, you're wrong. He's 1/12 of viewers. Okay, so you're totally wrong, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, but you're out of your mind, brother. Okay, you're clearly coping. Fully turning into pirate software. So, no, but what he's doing there is a smart thing to do. And not many streamers have the opportunity to do this because they don't have songs that are made for their game. And the issue that you have as a streamer with playing songs that are copyrighted is you lose all of the monetization of your VOD. And so you do lose income that you would potentially get from making a stream on YouTube, which is something that could turn you from not being able to stream full time to being able to stream full time. Okay, so there is an incentive. And I did notice that when I do play music that the YouTube guys can hear, and it's good music that is relaxing and fits the programming theme, which is what this song that I played on repeat does, people stick around for longer because it's a very chill and relaxing atmosphere. That's just how it is, okay? And so I am a streamer and I gotta work on this stuff. Okay, sir? Now, can you stop interrupting me so I can work? Thank you. All right. So, rendering option repeat. First and foremost, it's called render options. Render. Of course, I shouldn't have done that. And then we get the texture coordinates in. Test coords. What we need to do is we have the size of the sprite. Test coords, texel coords. How do I get the texel coords again? Is there a variable in GLSL called texel coords that you can access in OpenGL too? How to call a texel coord? GL disable vertex attribute. Now I would assume I can just use texel coords. Look tags, no helpers. There's GL fragment coord. Wait, so I have to use GL fragment coord? Okay, so let's see. I need to cancel out the Atlas offset, which unfortunately I do not have. I have texture coordinates in. I have the sprite size, but I do not have the offset into the Atlas. I need to cancel this out. So the reason why that is important is because, I mean, we also need to, we essentially need to get the Atlas offset, and we need to get the sprite size and the quad size actually. So we need to have two things, unfortunately. We need Atlas offset and quad size. So this would be 7, this would be 8. So Atlas offset transform.atlas offset, and then the quad size would be the size of the transform. And then in the shader header, the transform is actually, hopefully it has a size and a sprite size. We have Atlas offset, set sprite size, and then a size. Okay, so we need the sprite size here. Actually, this is size, and then this is sprite size. Now we have everything we need in the fragment shader, meaning we can go ahead to the fragment shader, go to the repeat option, then figure out these are the test coordinates, and then the test coordinates minus the Atlas offset. And then instead of texel coordinates, we do GL fragment coordinates, it looks like. Only way to code OpenGL. I haven't raw dodged OpenGL in 15 years, but wouldn't uniforms be a nice fit for this? But I already have all of the data. I don't need to send the uniforms into the shader if I already have it in the shader. It is now just a data between the two shader invocations. So I'm invoking the fragment, the vertex shader, and the vertex shader already has all of this data. I'm just sending it from the vertex shader over to the fragment shader. So it's already there. There is more data throughput between the two shaders, but it's already on the GPU. So I'm hoping that the throughput between two shaders is not as much as me setting a uniform from the CPU. We have duplicated data that I'm already doing to the GPU. So if I send a transform to the GPU, I have the data there. If I separately send the specific transform data like Atlas offset and sprite size to another uniform in the shader, it's like double dipping. I'm basically doing the same thing twice. If that makes sense. Test cohorts, scale factor. I don't know what that means. So we get the coordinates in, then we offset that. And then wait, GL fragment code gets assigned? Wait a minute. I need to change the texel coordinates. That's what I need to change. These are the coordinates into the texture. And so what I need to do is, I have the sprite size. And so, let's do a float first. Y coordinate. Texture. Is texture coordinates in .y. This is an int. This is the y coordinate for the texture. And then we remove the atlas offset from that. And now then that's the y coordinate sprite. Okay, so we take the texture coordinate, remove the offset, and then we get the sprite coordinate. And then and we basically do y coordinate sprite dot, y coordinate sprite is modulo the y coordinate sprite with the sprite size. Dot y. So this is basically repeat on y axis, right? And then after that, now that we are doing this, we can set the texel coordinates y to y coordinate sprite. That's it. I think that's what we need to do. I think that's everything. Smart. Actually smart. Please tell me that works. Shit. Undefined variable. Yeah, well, I don't have a rendering option for this yet. Okay, we're gonna get one. So we are repeating textures on the GPU now, which allows us to create very nice beams in the future. Uh-oh, we're running out of bits. 22. Rendering option. Oh wait, I already have repeat X and Y. Lol. The fuck? So all I need to do is repeat Y. And we can do the same thing. Okay. And then it tells me undefined variable texel coordinates in. Okay, they are called... What do they call it? Texture coordinates in. Aha. And I can't write to this because it came from here. So what I need to do is turn this into a variable that I can use. Let's see. Texture coordinates. Do I ever change these? No. So what I need to do is turn this into texture coordinates at the very top and then I can change them. Vec2. I vec2, I think it is, right? No, it's a vec2. Okay. Wait, I already have texture coordinates. Where the fuck is this? Do I? Okay, now we have texture coordinates. Then when I'm repeating and Y, texel coordinates. Wait, texel coordinates in? Doesn't exist. Texture coordinates in. And then I'm writing to texture coords. And then wherever I find texture coordinates in, I have to use texture coords now. So here. And I'm pretty sure... Wait, is this it? Hey. Texture coordinates. Texture coordinates, texture size. When do I index into the atlas? Huh? Wait. Texture color. Texture coordinates in. Texture color. Oh no! It's right here. Wait a minute. That's bad. So I need to put it before I grab the texture color. There we go. Arusius. Okay, now implicit class cast from float to int. It's complaining about 93. Where's that? Oh yeah, I see. So what we need to do is int this. And then is this an atlas offset? Is this in vector 2 or I vector 2? Okay. Transform. It's an I vector 2. So I want to turn this into an I vector 2 myself then. Okay. Okay, implicit cast from float to int in 96. Okay. One last thing. You need to understand that Cakez engine is at the very low end of technical skills required. Did you say something? I couldn't read that. Okay. Come on. 96? Stop it. What do you mean? Huh? Implicit cast from float to int. He's gone mad with power, delayed execution. Yeah. Guys, come on, help me here. Why do I get an issue with... Wait, modulo? Wait, is sprite size also? Wait, that's an int. Modulo should work with ints. Eh? Exporting new track? Goodness, bro. Guys, why does it not work? I don't understand this. Why do I not work? Bro. Also, sprite size is an issue. Not here. We need to use quad size here. And here as well. There you go. Where's more sprite size? There you go. Good. Guys, why does it not work? It says that I'm implicitly casting from float to int. On 96. I'm not, though. What are you working on today, Mr. Cakez? Read my message, I told you. Stop casting from float to int then. If you actually lied to me, collector of stuff. Imagine using a projection matrix. I think he did it like this because that would be too easy. No text, no helpers, huh? You toast me too. I see an error. I told you. Read my message. What do you didn't tell me what the error is. There were messages on YouTube that I couldn't, that I didn't get. Sorry about that, guys. I hated it. The worst case has happened. Cakez ran into an issue with his crappy code, but Superco is not here to fix it. It will repeat the cycle whenever it ends up 3 days. Okay. Hated it. Had to mute the stream for 5 minutes because of it. You're wrong. Greetings from Germany. Hello, Thomas. Greetings. I'm from Germany too. If you pass float, it will complain. But none of these are float. This is an int. This is an int. This is an int. An I vector 2. And so I have everything required. I turn texture coordinates into an int first. Here. Atlas offset is also an int. Amazing, couldn't tell you where it gets, man. So, like, this doesn't make any sense. Is mod float? Mod should use an X type. What does mod return? Are you telling me that mod returns a float? Are you fucking kidding me? And why is this open? Gen type. It returns a gen type. So, wait. It always requires... Wait. No. Gen type X, gen type Y. And gen type can be anything. Mod can return... No. It returns a gen type. And these are essentially probably C++ bug. I think it's bug fixed in Godot. Okay, bro. Come on, man. This is so fucking stupid. Implicit cast from float to int. What if you module a float value? But it's 2 ints. These are 2 ints, man. I just don't understand. These are 2 ints. That doesn't make any sense, bro. This is an int, you moron. Are you fucking stupid? Integer varying sprite must be a flat. Integer varying atlas offset must be flat. Fragment info. Okay, fine. These are flat. They are not varying. Int in. Wait, as it called flat in. Aha, it was turning these into ints. It was turning these into floats. Wait, is it though? Yeah, these are flats. I don't want them. Yeah, oh, it's in flat. Okay. Just like your mommy's tits. Okay, flat. Flat. Mm-hmm. There you go. Let's go to the repeat section again. Now, I don't think I need to change the sprite size here. Because this is already an int. Then modulo, this is too much. And then we turn this into a float. This is gonna work, man. Fuck you, man! This is a fucking int! Are you a fucking moron? I hate this! Okay, it works. This is fucking stupid! How is this not an int by default? Huh? Gen type? I thought that gen type would be int. Cause this is literally a fucking int here. Whatever, dude. C++ has nothing to do with this, bro. C++ has nothing to do with this, bro. This is not C++, bro. This is GLSL, bro. This is GLSL, sir. Okay, sir, you're wrong. You're talking stupid stuff. There you go. Okay, guys. So we're going to add a repeat option now. We did. We already did. So why does this not work, man? Okay, song is in DM. I'm gonna take a look at it in 5 minutes. Okay, I need to fucking fix this right now, man. I hate this. Repeating on why. So, it's drawing me a line here now. Hallo Deutschland, wie geht's? Scheiße. This is stretched. This is actually stretched. You're totally wrong. This is fucking stupid. 10 plus 32. This is stretched. Thank you very much for following, sir. Appreciate it, bro. Cakez, what is the starting point for you, guys? That's when you were at beginning of your own C++ engine code adventure. This is stupid. It doesn't repeat. Why is it not repeating? Is my coding wrong? So, how did I start? I started by following basic C++ tutorials. So that would be the 4-hour tutorial that you can find on YouTube. This is how I got into C++. And I did that over the course of a weekend. So Saturday, Sunday, and I was done with the tutorial. And I would make it a point to watch the tutorial first, the lesson in the tutorial, and after I was done with the lesson, I would then go ahead and try to write the code from the lesson myself. So I have written basically the basic steps. I had written the basic steps of the language, and I knew what was technically possible. And after that, I went straight into programming games. So I tried to look up a tutorial of how to make a game in C++ on YouTube, and I would make it a point. I found one from Chili Tomato Noodle. I would make it a point to make one video a day. So I would wake up, watch the video. I would wake up, watch the video, and then after watching the video, I would do the code in the video. And I did that until I felt comfortable enough to make my own engine. Because out there, when I started, there was not a single tutorial teaching you how to make an engine from scratch, start aka nothing, to finish, where you have a working version of a game and at the same time a somewhat template that could be considered a framework, aka like engine type of thing that allows you to make games, where you just delete, let's say, the game and then make a new game in the engine. Yeah, and so once I did that, I started exploring. You know, I made vulcantutorial.com. I looked a little bit on Learn OpenGL. It's a framework now, yeah, essentially. All right, let's see. So why is this stretching instead of, unless I'm supplying the wrong data? Here, the quad size. I see what the issue is. I see what the issue is. In the fragment shader, I'm never accessing GL fragment chord. GL frag chord. .y. I need to access this plus the y coordinate for the sprite. This together needs to be moduloed by the sprite size.y. And stored back into the texture coordinate. Because essentially this coordinate here no, wait. We need to take... Wait a minute. No, not the fragment coordinate. We need to take the coord. We need the starting position. We need to find the starting position and the size and the atlas offset. What does world position mean? If anything, that's the center position, is it? What do I use that for? If it's not in the clip rect, so that's the position of the sprite. So that would be the center point of where it is located, and then we can use the fragment coordinate, but it's the world position. People are making assets for my game already, Cakez. Hey Cakez, what are you doing today? I'm trying to repeat this texture using shader code, so I can infinitely stretch this. Listen song, 5 minutes up. Alarm, 5 minutes up. Fine, we're gonna listen to the song. I just hate interrupting what I'm doing, man. Disrespecting? I'm not disrespecting. Have you not documented the code base? This has nothing to do with documenting the code base. Okay, guys, let me see here. Necropolis has made a new song. Sunny Forest Folk Rock. Oh, wow. Goodness, it is 5 minutes long. Just listen to it in the background. Okay, are you guys ready? So, Necropolis. Let's just listen to it. It's a new song for the game, guys. Ready for the loop? Yeehaw! Farm level. DMCA? No, it's like he made this himself, right? Kind of Irish vibes, I suppose. For the town? It's the music for Cake City. Hey Koviman, how's it going, man? It's made by Necropolis. Really good artist. Really good songwriter. It's really good and happy, yeah. Damn, it's a really long song. Really good stuff, man. Cakes, don't talk over the song so Collector can yoink it from the vault, please. Okay. Lemon to Dino relation. Hey, I helped me a little bit on this one, then basically redone it in Cubase, full disclosure, but it should be good with copyright as long as we note it. I see, okay. No worries, Collector, I have the password for his Discord account, okay, bro. Very good stuff, man. I'll trade for streaming key. Nice world map view song. Yeah, you guys think this fits in here? This? In the town? Case of the music surpassing the... Yeah, okay, bro. Yeah, your eyes crazy good, by the way. Don't really need me anymore. No, bro, like, I gotta be honest. I think your best song by far, so far, while this one is long, is the one that I'm playing in the level. Like the song, but it doesn't fit the mountains. Probably for a level where smooth sailing before the next level is ultra hard. How much are you paying him? Shut the fuck up. Stop asking about pay. I use this. UDBO, if anyone wants to know. AI music generator. God, I'm so fucking sweaty, guys. Like, I'm sweating everywhere. Ugh. It's disgusting. Can you fix town? I don't want to copy this shit. Cakes, shut the fuck up. So, this is what we currently have in the town. This is what we currently have. Sweet and cozy. Like, I gotta be honest with you, Necropolis. Why is the water above the house? This is just the debug drawing. I gotta be honest with you. Like, this song fits the town perfectly, in my opinion. It perfectly fits. It perfectly fits this setting. And so you telling me that AI made you better, I think you made one of the best songs yourself, man. Like, you shouldn't basically, like, yes, AI, the song is great, don't get me wrong, but I think you yourself made better songs. If AI assisted you, like without AI assisting you. I think this song right here and this song right here. These are my favorite two songs. I have a hard time just popping them out. Make a Cakez distract. Cakez, being honest here, I think this current song is perfect for map overview and the 5-minute song for the town area. Don't feel bad. Cakez spends like 5 years on his game, and I copied it in like 2 hours. People are different. The song from the town area. We watched Cakez trying out the door. You're good. Okay, Cakez, if I'm good at programming and decent at art, but can't do sound effects and music, would you recommend using stock sound effects, contracting people, or something else? Yes, stock sound effects. And if you really want to have something good, like a song, contract someone. If you can find a good person. Yes. Because you will spend a lot of time trying to make music, and you can do it, but it will sound like shit. So like Necropolis, I think you're misunderstanding that you need to put out like a perfect song right now. Because I think if you wanna keep on doing this, I think what I can give you as like on your way to keep making stuff, just try to have fun. And not stress yourself over making the perfect song. Because you tried these two songs, like this song right here, and this song right here. And in my opinion, you have already hit the nail in the coffin with these two. Like for these two areas, for the town and for the first level. You know? And I think, or what I get from this, is that you're nail in the coffin. Like, how do you say that? Is that wrong? Is that wrong? Is that a bad thing to say? Is that bad? Isn't that how you say that? Nail on the head? Oh, I see. I mean the nail on the head, bro. All the music is fire, yes. So I think what you're trying to do right now is create a more perfect song for these two locations, which actually I think you've already done. You've already done, you know? And I think, so here's what let me give you some, like from the outside perspective, because I think you're trying to make something perfect happening. Okay? Let me show you something. Let me explain you something, okay? Here's what I see from the outside, okay? Let's go all the way to the top. This was my song, by the way, guys. That was my song, by the way. Come on! It's a good song, right? Nice rap song. What are pauses? Okay, ear bleeding? Okay, bro. Yeah. This is pure ass? Ah, come on. It's not true. Anyways, so then he did this song for a town. The one we listened to, right? For the town. I think he hit the nail on the head with this one already, right? It's a really good song. And you know, it's just 30 seconds that you did. And you can loop this from now and it's already... Yeah, nailed the town track there, yeah. Play the yesterday song for people who were not here. Yeah, I'm gonna play all of the songs now. We're gonna play all of the songs. So here, you have already completed this part for me in the game, bro. It's already done. Maybe we can, maybe you, not me, because I don't know shit about this, but maybe you can make the song a little bit better when it loops. Maybe a tiny bit longer, but it's already done, bro. It's already done. And you can pat yourself on the back saying, bro, I made a good song here. This song you can put on Spotify right now and people will listen to that and say, good shit, bro. You can put this up on Spotify right... Guys, type 1 in chat if he can put this up on Spotify right now. If he can put this up on Spotify right now. There's one right here. Gotta quickly get some coffee. I actually, you know, funny thing, I actually listen to this when I cut YouTube videos. To this or the other song that you made. This is 100% not AI. I think this is one of your best songs. Alright, so this is number 1, right? So you already have a song here. If you wrote this 8 years ago, really good shit, man. Really good stuff. So now, I think this one you made yourself, right? They tried something different for the level 1 song. But I wanted a party, right? So you wanted a party. Did you make this yourself? Did you do this yourself, bro? Hey, thank you very much for rating. Claim and Dev, good morning. Good hello there, sirs. Good morning. We are currently talking about music, and we have a very awesome person in chat, Necropolis, who's making music for our game. We're currently talking about this. Hope you had a good stream, bro. I already told him, like, we're looking for paid work. Yeah, like, I want to pay him too. Yeah, he's good, right, Athano? Exactly. Yeah. So, look here. So, this is the second song you make. Did you make this song yourself? Did you write it yourself? Or was it also done like 8 years ago? Then pay him, Cakez. I'm not gonna disclose what we... So you made this yourself, not 8 years ago. I'm not gonna disclose what we talked about, okay? So, shut the fuck up. It's based on some older stuff, okay. So, listen to this. So, guys, what is this? What type of song is this? This is the song when this guy right here comes into the level. This is supposed to be a boss. Think about Bloons, Bloonarius. Bloonarius walking across here. Has a lot of HP. You have to kill him before he reaches the end. And maybe this guy, you know, drops a little bit. Drops a couple of smaller golems that you have to defeat as well. Exactly like Bloonarius. So this is a boss type music. So we already have music down for a boss type. We just need to make it loop properly. I think it already loops very nicely. Boss type done. It's already 2 songs that you can also put up on Spotify. You know? Tempo is great. Yeah, I think it works very well. So dude. I think that We just need a game then, release. I'm working on it, bro. I'm working on it, brother. I am currently trying to repeat the texture, bro. Don't you remember what we just did before that we started this section, huh? When you guys told me to look at the songs right now? Alright, so now listen. Here. So this... And he made this a little bit slower too. Guitar maybe, slow it down. You know, that's also working very well. And now I need to make sure that I don't show something I'm not supposed to show. Okay. See, like, we already have 2 really good songs for boss battles in the game. You know, and maybe the same boss battle. And then after that, he made some really good songs here too. Tried out some more stuff this weekend with acoustics, rough version, but I think it will be enough. So, Saving the World, for example. This is the one. I don't think this is Saving the World. This should be named, actually, Words of Tangerina, I think, in my opinion. Like, I think these need to be swapped around. Because this, in my opinion, what we're listening to right here, fits this level perfectly. Actually, a perfect fit. Right? Guys? Mahlzeit. Hello, my name is Witty. Good morning. Type 1 in chat if it fits this setting perfectly. Huh? See, like, I don't know if you noticed. I think you missed the mark with where to place the music, but you actually made the music that I wanted already. It's like a farming game. Yeah, there's supposed to be a chill beginning. Who creates the nice graphics for you? I made them myself. Random question, have Twitch removed subbing for 6 months in advance? It's a real guitar. So, Necropolis, this song right here. This song right here that you made. Did you make this yourself from scratch? Or did you also use some older version, some older song? The idea was you're flying through the clouds, bird's eye view of map. Could also work, yeah. But now listen, here's something that maybe, no, this was original. See, like, you made this song. It's 3 minutes long. And how long did it take you to make this? Like, you wrote me this on the 5th of August. And I wrote you this on the 2nd of August. So you needed 3 days. Holy shit, Athano, thank you very much for resubscribing at tier 1 for 6 months. Holy, my bad. The money. An afternoon. So you're telling me that you're slow, but it takes you an afternoon to make this. You do realize that this would take me like 2-3 weeks to do at minimum, and it wouldn't be as good. I don't think you're slow at all, man. This is a really, really good song. So, like, I don't think you need AI to help you. Dude, Cakes, shut the fuck up. Don't care about your take. Don't care about your take. See you in 30 minutes. Okay. Alright. Cake sucking this guy. No. Kinda embarrassing. 30-minute harsh. Okay, fine. You can lift it if you want to. But this guy gets for 20 minutes. Yeah, it shows you're good. Yep. 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 It is true. I'm not giving music advice. Are you dumb? My turn, Cakes. I'm not giving any advice. I'm just saying that his music is good. Because what I get from him, that he's trying to create the perfect music for, let's say, the first level or something, which he already has done. I'm just trying to move him in the direction, like if he wants to do something for me, I'm trying to like give him hints as to like, actually you've already done this, or actually this is what I need. Like it's called feedback. Okay. Collector will be finished. Will finish his game by the time his time runs out. Okay. What happened to Bereed? Nothing. Fine, I'll lift the timeout. How do I lift the timeout from Bereed / user? Bereed. Goodness. Goodness. My bad. Holy shit. Let me unpause the donations then. Rames, thank you so much for gifting 10 subs to the community. Holy. Travis Roman got a sub. Lol. Yo, Cakes, no sub for me. Dodged,
Master,
dodged.
the calculations are in and
Guys, how do I
the
spell
powers of
Bereed?
your brain are overwhelming.
Am I so out of
Guys,
touch?
how do I spell Bereed?
No.
Orthano just subscribed.
I can't spell Bereed,
Big
guys.
Support for 18 years.
There's an underscore in there. Ah. There you go.
Am I so out of touch?
Whoops.
No.
Rames is gifting 10 sub to the community.
Am I so out of touch?
Rames, my man. Holy shit.
No.
Rames just subscribed.
Oh my god!
Big tick support for year.
Hello, Cakez.
Okay, fine. Where's the timeout? How do I remove the timeout, guys? How do I remove it?
Hello.
Was a bit long. Dude, Cakes, yo, 6 months. Dude, Cakes, dude. Maybe I was wrong here. Timed out. How do I remove the timeout? Ah. Okay. Let's write him a warning. Sir. Custom reason, sir. I'm sorry. Dumbass. Okay, he's back. Warning sent. Unable to fetch account. Sire? Not sir. Say dude. Alright. So anyways. Someone at the door. ist das warm. Goodness. Oh, I'm back. Me ringing to Cakez door every 10 minutes. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, guys. I'm back. Okay, what was I doing? Where Bebe? Bebe is in the other room. Is Bebe okay? Yes. We reached the level 3 hype train. Thank you, guys. We want Zoe. She's with my wife and her mom, and there's the other baby from her sister as well. They're gonna visit here. Okay. Anyways, so you made this, right? Which is already a perfect fit again for the first level. Really cool. No, finish that. And then you made this. This could be another type of level that is maybe a little bit more towards the evening, right? What do you guys think? The same setting, but towards the evening maybe. Yeah, right? Already 2 versions for the first biome. It's already done, bro. Catchy tune, yeah. Sunset Riders. You know? It's really good. So I don't know why you're saying you need so long for this. Because you don't. You've already made 2 good songs. And then we have the forest sketch, guys. For this song, guys, think about a graveyard, okay? Think about... Wait, I'll show you. Graveyard keeper. Think about this, guys, okay? Images. I'll show you the image. Who says I need it long? You literally said that a second ago, bro. You said that... Listen, bro. I know what you're saying. I know. I have seen what you said. Listen here. So... I have a hard time just pooping them out. That tells me you need long for this. Huh? 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 He's making a dick joke? No, I mean quality? To me this is meh? Dude, they're good. I see what you mean. You're trying to improve always, but they're good. They're really good. Okay, so guys, this next song. Perfect. Take a look at this. Alright, you guys ready? Take a look at this. Take a look at this, right? And listen to the song. Sneaky song, sounds more clown. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Musicians are such self-critics. I have a friend, Andreas Wiklund, who made a lot of tracker music in the past. He was always like that. This was definitely clown inspired by the stream lol. Lols. So the only thing that I would have to say about this song is that the drums are a little bit too fast or too pronounced. That's the only thing I would say. But otherwise, it's good. No, there aren't. Maybe I'm wrong, though. Yeah, could be. Shut up, Cakez, double pedal. I wish that was the only thing you said. Let's make the game. I love this song, too. This is almost black metal. So, I don't know, man. Like, over the course of a couple of days, you've already made like 5 songs that I can use in a game. You know, they're all good. I wish I had a music guy. Yeah, like it took me like 3 years to find one as well, and I'm trying to keep him. Like, trying to do everything to convince him to stay, you know. I don't want to be left again, bro. Okay. So, like, you say, let's see if I can make a couple of cool tracks. I think you've already done some really cool tracks, you know. And so this is the one he made yesterday, guys. This is from yesterday. The Invasion of the Woods of Tangerina. So there's multiple things in there. My music guy, I was trying to perfect the music for 2 months where I love the original version. Yeah, I think... So, bro, I think you've already done 5 tracks and we can just move on. Maybe make some songs a little bit longer. But that's about it, man. Really. Like 99% of players already like it. Can always come back and refine them later, yeah. There are players... shut the fuck up, bitch. So this is from yesterday, by the way, guys. And this is more towards story-based, which unfortunately in my game, this would be difficult to implement, because I have a tower defense game and the missions are literally... yeah, they are just missions. You know, there's not much going on. And then sometimes in the mission there comes a boss. You kill the boss and then that's it. To me this fits in a trailer. But it's still really, really good. Sorry. I think this part could be a skeleton final boss level. The first 30 seconds, because it's gonna shift soon. The first 30 seconds... Dankeschön. The first 30 seconds could be like a final boss level where we defeat the Skeleton King or something. And then make that loop. Really, really good. Needs to play more often. Yeah, I mean, it will loop at some point. Play good songs more often? True. A little too good. So this part right here can already be looped into a boss level song. It's another song. There's like 6, 7 songs already made for the game that I would call, like, I from the outside, I don't know about you guys, but I would call this finished. And then this part could be a victory song, a victory screen that comes now. This could be victory. So this is like a second song in the song. Really good. Right? Or this could be another level, pirate level, you know, sea level. Exactly, epic sea level, epic sea battles. Both works. Yeah. So it's like another song. Triumph shit. A game that does victory music well is Marvel Snap. That music is awesome. Hello, sir. What's that you're working on? I'm working on a game. We're currently giving feedback music. Music feedback to Necropolis, who's been making music for the game. So I think it's really good, man. It's really, really good. And I've downloaded them all, by the way. I've downloaded them all. And then this is the latest song that he made. In case he deletes them. No, actually, I want to use some of them in shorts or in YouTube videos because the music is so good. And then this is what he made today. Sunny Forest Folk Rock. Which I think is a disconnect from what we had so far. But it's still good. So far, he has not been using AI. And now it feels... Well, let's listen to this again. American, yeah. Actually true. Okay, go now. Would be a different island map. It could be a different island map, yeah. Could be some... Yeah, actually this could be... This could be the town. But a different town, maybe. Yeah. This could be a big town instead of this small town, you know? A different town that you get to in a game, maybe. Further down the line. A bigger town, yeah. Cakez, is today planned to be 100% working on a game? Something else you want to do today? We'll see. A town with more stone and bricks theme, yeah. So, like, really good, man. So, to be honest, sounds like a town that's located at a beach. Really? I'm thinking about this. Thinking about this. Why are there so terrible pictures? I mean, maybe this. Shitty images, really. Dude, are you kidding me? So bad. These images are just atrocious. Anyways, so I'm thinking about this. That's fucking dog shit, man. Are you fucking kidding me? It's Stardew Valley Town. Are you kidding me? Atrocious. It's Stardew Valley screenshots. It's not the picture that I mean. It's a busy town that I'm envisioning.
Gotcha, bitch.
Ah, whatever, man. I can't find the image. Terrible. Whatever. Who cares? I can't find the proper image. I don't know, maybe this. I just can't believe that I can't find the correct image. Thinking of Fiesta? I'm thinking of, yeah, maybe Fiesta. Yeah. So this is the... I think the music fits perfectly to this. What do you guys think? Am I wrong here? A picture shows emotions and gives you a setting. That's why I look for pictures. Because that's what I am envisioning when I'm listening. You goddamn right, not bad. See, that's what I get as a feeling. So, Necropolis, I think you've already managed to like create town market, yeah, something like this. This song for the town and the current town song for the map overview hits the spot. Guys, yeah. Guys, there will not be two different sounds in here. This will be the town and it will not change song if I click on this. The songs will not change if I go to the map here. Would be too many different songs. It's too much. It's a nice idea, but something's going on with YouTube, Cakes. Hey, my man, 7 stars. Thank you.
7 stars. My man, thank you for $4. Your sound guy deserves a raise, mate. And so do you. Here's some money for a cake. Give a bite to your sound guy, too.
I will. Thank you so much, 7 stars. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. The music guy is goated, yeah. What, spam or something? I don't have any spam here. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. That never updated. And I mean, fuck this stupid streaming platform, man. Lolech, please stop spamming with your bot, okay? Pin, Cakes is a clown, 30. Be right back, round started an ABI. Look, I'm shutting this, but yeah, don't spam, please. When I didn't even get TTS for gifting subs, scammed. Can you even write a sub? Can you even write a message when gifting subs? I think that's something you can't do. It's like a Twitch issue. It's not an us issue, because we can do that. Abef can program this in. There's no message box in the gift something, yeah. No comment when gifting, which is dumb in my opinion. It's stupid. Maybe this was abused in the future, in the past. That's why there is. But I mean, you could also use bits to spam, so I don't know. I'm thinking about getting a hardware card or something for debugging purposes. Really? Cakes, I think it's finally the time to travel some hard truth to you. You only had one viewer. I'm collector of stuff. And everyone in this chat is my alt account. Don't believe me? Watch me post this on all my other accounts. Chat help. No, like gifting a sub or gifting 10 subs or gifting 5 subs or 2 subs would be you type a message yourself and then that one message would be displayed once. Okay, guys. Okay, raid and run. Hello, Togglebit. Thank you guys for the raid. Welcome. Have a good stream. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Hello, Cakes. Hello, my man. CPRN. Good morning. All right, guys. We have been talking about music too much. I hope you get the point, Necropolis, that I'm very happy and I really appreciate you doing music for me. I think you have done the best music that I could ever dream of for the game. And I really appreciate it. And so, yeah, I don't know. It's good, bro. It's good. It's already good. I don't know. Why the fire on the bottom right is not animated, Cakes? Because I'm lazy. I don't want to animate it right now. I'm lazy, bro. It's already better than the game itself. Okay, that's actually giving it 5 minutes. Oh, dumpster fire. Then there's another guy that wants to have 5 minutes of peace. Here you go. Alright. Okay, guys. Now, we need to work on programming here, okay? Let's stop with the thing. We need to open up Paint and go big dig on figuring out what's going on here. Alright, guys? So, let's see. We have the screen. Okay? This is the window. We have the window. And we draw a quad in the window. This is a quad. Alright, and this quad has a size. An X and an Y. Okay. X and Y. So this is the what we call the sprite size. That would be X and Y. Okay? Now, what we have as the quad as well. No, actually, this is not the sprite size. I'm lying to you guys. I'm coping. Lying. This is not the sprite size. This is what we call the quad size. Quad size. Right here. Okay? Now, in order to get the sprite size, we also have this. That is from the texture atlas. That would be a different size. So now we have the window and we have this red point here. This red point is... Actually, that's wrong. This right here is the position of it. The position in the world. So what I'm trying to do here is, if the sprite size, and let's give these numbers, okay? So, for example, X would be, let's use something that is divisible. Let's do 16. And then Y would be 8. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Stop interrupting me. 8. So what we have here then is 16. God. 16 by 8. Alright? You're muted, Cakez. You're lying to me. Shut up! But it's fine. I'm gonna give you a timeout for 5 minutes because I wanna think about this. You're not muted, yeah? This guy is just lying. Alright, so now 16 by 8 is the quad size, and then we have a sprite size that I'm interested in that is actually 8 by 8. God, this is a terrible 8. 8 by 8. Okay, so what I want to do here, I want to repeat X at 8. Okay, this is what I want. Repeat X at 8. So we have a size of 16 here. And what do we get from the GPU? Well, we get coordinates. These are called GL fragment coordinates. And we can use these to index into the sprite. So what I think we need is, we need to know the size here of the sprite. We need to know the starting point, the top left point, based on the position. And then if we go in X, we probably have to do position. On X minus start. And I don't know, let's put this on orange. On X. First, right, we would have to do this. And then we would need to do minus the fragment coordinate. No, actually we need to do plus. Sorry, plus the fragment coordinate. Right? Am I doing this correctly? And dot X. Is this giving me? This should give me a value. Sorry about this. This should give me a value of 0 to 16, right? This should give me this interval. Sorry about this. Terrible 0. 0 to 16. Is that correct? Is this assumption correct? Did I do this correctly? We forgot 1, 2 things to be exact. I missed the beginning. It's all here. So I just don't have the start. I have the position, but I need to figure out the start. I'm trying to repeat texture coordinates in a texture atlas. Exactly. So what I need to have is the sprite size, which is right here.
Gotcha,
I need
bitch.
that size. Then I need to figure out if I go in one direction. Okay, well, how far am I? And do I need to modulo something? Yes. Can't we see how it will be limited without mod? Yeah, mod is the next step. I just need to figure out the start. So what I have here in the shader. Fuck, failed to compile shader. Why? Why coordinate sprite? Oh shit. What did I do here? Let's not do anything yet. So what did I do here? I get the texture. Wait, so we have the GL fragment coordinate. We need to figure out the start position. And so I do have the world position. Here, this is probably the position where it is. Not using it though. So this will be discarded. Actually, do I? I do use it. Okay, how about this? We're just going to let it run in render doc. And then figure out where we can go from there. How about I just go... Let's do it F12 here. I'm interested in this line there. Let's see. Output. Okay, this is Bloom, and then in the second UI pass, this is where we draw UI. So we're interested in this little line here. This draw call, which is an instant draw call. Instanced draw call. Ah, we have it right here. There you go. So, what do we have? We have texture coordinates. We have the position, GL position, which is normalized. Can you please mute music in game? I can't deal with the repeat torture. Fine, I'll mute it. Fine. But that's bad. Maybe it's too loud? It really bothers you guys this much? Maybe like this, a little bit? Not so loud, maybe? What do you guys think? Is this better? The music is good, but it's too much when repeated this often. Okay. Is this better? Fine, I'm just gonna turn it off for now. It's okay. Where was I? No, needs variety. Thanks. It's okay. So, world position. Yeah, so this is a position inside of the world. For each of the vertices. Interesting. Very interesting. So this is not even the center point. This is actually the position of the vertex in the world. Okay. Then we have local UVs. We have the sprite size right here. We have the offset into the atlas and then the quad size. So I need to figure out the top left portion. I need to figure out the top left portion. I've listened to Lord of the Rings and Stardew Valley here for 2 years. I'm immune to repetition. Okay, bro. It wasn't that bad. Okay. Fine, we're gonna listen to this shit. But not this dog shit. No, we're not listening to this either. Hi, can you grab the values from the vertex and send them to the fragment? Non-interpolated? Yes, we can. Do I need the center or top left point? I think I need top left. Correct? What if it's rotated though? What if I rotate the texture though? Does this even work? I don't think this works. Not sure if this is what you're looking for, but I use this code in my game to repeat texture coordinates in the texture atlas. Actual UV is minimum UV plus fractional UV minus minimum UV divided by maximum UV minus minimum UV times maximum UV minus minimum UV. The song is dumb as here keeps repeating, has a single theme lead on fucking xylophone and he plays it for 45 minutes. Why am I so stupid? Why was I able to do this in Vulkan and I can't do this anymore in OpenGL? I was able to do it in Vulkan. This is what I did in Vulkan. I got the texture coordinates, then I got rid of the atlas offset, then I scaled the texture coordinates. I moduloed that by the size of the sprite. And then I took the coordinates plus the atlas offset and edit them. Why am I doing it wrong now? Because skills atrophy over time? Am I really that bad? I mean, the scale factor here. It is just the difference between the sprite size and the real size. Does this even work? Let's see, what do I have? Quad.back.vertex. This is the scale factor. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it here. So we take the quad size of the transform and divide that by the texture size. Here, by the sprite size. So the quad size divided by the sprite size is the scale factor. But then I already have the scale factor in my shader, right? Don't I? I think no. Because of the camera. No music on YouTube, can watch there and have chat up here. Yeah, there is no music on YouTube. If you guys want to watch over on YouTube without music, you could go there. True. Was that your thinking face? I've never seen that before. Shut the fuck up. Back to scale factor. Is the quad size divided by the textures, by the sprite size. Scale factor. Can I do this? The quad size has been supplied here, right? That's a vector 2. He meant to redeem clown? No, he did not. Scale factor. And then guys, we're gonna get this done without the help of real Superku. You guys ready? It's gonna work. Okay. Test coordinates. Atlas offset. Scale. Modulo. Texel coordinates. Okay, let's see. Good morning, Mr. Capes. When is Dark Souls 2? Undefined variable texel coordinates. Coordinates in. It's called texture coordinates in. Please tell me it works. It does work! Why does it work? It just works. Does it though? It doesn't work yet, guys. Wait a minute. It does work, so whatever, who cares? Cool. We're gonna fix this now. So, what we need to do here, when we draw a UI line, okay? We need to put the transform here. If we repeat, make sure to adjust the UVs. So essentially, if draw data dot render options has render option repeat in y-axis, then we need to make sure that the transform dot sprite size dot y needs to be we need to check whether this size is less no wait, quad size is less than the transform dot sprite size dot y. If that's the case, then we need to set the transform dot sprite size dot y to transform dot size dot y to an int. I think. You guys know what I'm doing here? Does that make sense to you? This doesn't look correct to me. Does it though? Pressing buttons. It does look correct though.
Gotcha, bitch.
Look at this. Huh. Looks like it does work. See that? Where is this? Maybe this is to like we need to like do this. Wait a minute. Shit. Wait a minute. That sucks. Give me a second. It's this long line here, but I guess it's start from Y0, simple things, simplifies things. Nice, smart. Daniel, thank you very much for following, man. What do you guys think? When Cakez is sleep deprived, he always becomes focused and gets stuff done. It makes you think that he even might release the demo within the next 3 years. I have guests here. I have guests. I'm not gonna get angry. This looks so bad. Well, unfortunately, I have to agree with you, bro. I actually have to agree with you. I do have to agree. What about this? What about this? This is too thick, unfortunately. You know?
Gotcha, bitch.
We need to make a better, let's do another route, guys. Let's do another route. Fine. Too thick. Let's do another route. B. Alright, let's try this. Maybe this is cool. You know, gameplay, no route. Yes. Yeah, bro. Routes are more important than gameplay right now. Okay, bro? Stop complaining. It is the best thing to do right now. Okay, sir? I don't want to hear anything. So, like, I literally should have done this here, right? Like, this color and then B. Now we can paint. So, how does he do it? He creates some dark areas, like for example here. It does look really bad. I have no clue how to do this, make this look good. This looks bad. Cakez is starting to pull ahead already. It's okay, I take Cakez, right? You don't use that anymore. Cakez, can you make it big? Too small as you move from left to right? No, because I have no notion of left to right. The nodes in the skill tree are all random, and so I don't know whether I'm far away from the skill tree or not.
Touch? No.
BenRail17 just
Oh man,
subscribed.
thank you so much,
Big
Ben
tick
Rail.
support for 4 years.
What a big supporter. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much, man. Making this dream a reality. Thank you, man. Yeah, in the future, guys.
Gotcha, bitch.
In the future, we might become full-time streamer. Full-time Mr. Streamer. What do you think about adding in a little bit more highlights here as well? Or is this too much? Is that too much? I think it looks bad, guys. This stuff here kinda irks me. And then this here. Why do you use int instead of static cast int? Because I don't really believe that it's going to be undefined behavior. If it is, then I would like to see it for myself. If that happens. And other than that, I just want to use the normal casts that have been used for like multiple years. I don't know whether this will be a good or bad decision. I'm just using it because the C programming language exists, right? Programs are being written in C. How come these programs work? You know, how come C is still something that you can write programs in if you can't use the normal casts from C? That's how I see it. And so that's the reasoning behind me using these casts. It's nothing special. I think this looks good. Let's add in. So guys, I think we have managed to make another good looking route. Let's not save this, but let's put it here. I think this is my best route so far.
Gotcha, bitch.
And so one of these... Huh? Huh? How did that happen? What the fuck? Okay. Cakez currently playing Jesper. I'm back. What's the progress? The progress is that we managed to repeat. And now I'm trying to draw the different types of routes. Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Holy! This is it! Holy moly! Very busy, Emo? Wait. Let me explain to you, or let me show you how we're gonna do this. Watch this. Wait a minute. That's a bit too dark. This is gonna be the brightest one. I feel like I need a third color. Wait a minute. Yeah. We need 3 versions, I feel like. We need another version of this. I feel like this is kind of coping, but wait for it, okay? Wait for it. Okay. Wait. Wait a minute. Maybe this works. We can get rid of this. Draw connections. This is where we draw the connections between the trees. And this is where we draw the line. Dependent on whether both nodes are allocated or not. So what do we need to do? So first we set the int animation index to 0, which is can't be allocated. And then if do we have can be allocated? Cannot be allocated. Okay, we have this. Okay, let me think. Greenman fully upgraded. Yeah, Greenman bought. Have you decided you want to do the new demo feature on Steam? I don't know who's better to do there. I don't know what's better to do there. I'm thinking about doing the new demo feature on Steam, yes. Not sure whether I will do it, but I think it's a nice idea. And, you know, we could explore the review feature of this. The only thing that I'm a little bit worried about is that people will play my game and then have already played the game for free and move on and play a different game because there's nothing more the game has to offer. That's the one thing that I'm really, really worried about. But maybe I have then made the wrong demo version. Maybe I should have made a better demo version then that leaves the player wanting more instead of satisfying them already. That's the only worry I have. Satisfying the customer already to the point where they don't want to do this. So essentially, if we are allocated, the node is allocated, or we are a root node and the other node is allocated, or the connected node is allocated and we are a root node. This, if check, then we set the animation index to 2. If the connected node is not allocated, and the node is allocated, so we are not allocated but the node is allocated, or the other way around. So basically the connected node is allocated and the node next to us is not allocated. That means we can allocate this node because there's a connection between the two. So this means both are allocated green. One is not allocated brighter. What about the root node? So one of them could be the root node. Therefore, it's not allocated, but it's the root node. And the other one is not allocated. And then this one would be the root node. So this one is the root node, and then this one is allocated. Is not allocated. So essentially, root node and not allocated and root node. Then one is allocated, one is not. One is not allocated, therefore, and the other one is allocated, therefore we make it brighter. And then can't be allocated means dark. Let's see if this works. Looking at that if statement. Why are you coding in C? Don't you use an engine, Cakez? Hello there, Yolan TV. I'm coding in C because I like it. I'm having the most fun doing this. Green root may grow, black root is overgrowing. So guys, what do you think? Does this look good? Or is it not visible enough? Or what we could do is essentially take, say, let's use this. Honestly, I think it misses a little bit of movement. What? Maybe switch color? It draws the line. I need to figure out this other color here. Wait a minute. Where do I draw the nodes? Be none. Heading. Can be allocated. Wait a minute. Node allocated. Where do I draw the nodes? Ah, node color. There you go. If it can't be allocated. There you go. 15k lines in one file. Kick W. Yeah. They are all needed. Okay, sir? Programming enjoyer. Every single line of code you see here is hand-picked and needed. Okay, sir? It is very important. So, how do we do this? If one of the nodes can't be allocated, for now node color is white. We always set the animation index to 1. Let's get rid of this for a second. We don't do this, but we say, okay, well, int animation index is 1. That would be the bright version. And then if one of the nodes can't be allocated, then we know if whether the node or the connected node can't be allocated. Then I want to change the node color. And then we should call this line color. Toll. It was actually German. And then we do dot material dot color is line color. We could do it like this too. Take a look. I think this is it. I think this looks the best. What do you guys think? What is your opinion? Any opinions in chat? Is this the best thing we have so far? Yep, wouldn't pay for this. Better than the green for sure. This looks nice. Maybe for free, looks good. I think this is it, guys. We have managed to create a skill tree. Green to show where it may grow. Nice looking skill tree. Thank you, man. Why is the mouse behind the tree node? Oh, this mouse, it's a tutorial in the game that keeps playing until I place this guy. That's supposed to show you how to place units. It's a tutorial. I will still have to code in that you can't open the skill tree in the very beginning. But shading on the connecting roots looks better than the hero portrait thing now. Oh, the hero portrait doesn't have highlights. I can add highlights to the hero portrait. Then it looks better. I think it's this, right? If you want, sure. You can add some highlights. wasn't really thinking about doing it, but sure. So for example, here could be a big one. This is bad, having 3 colors here. So, I think this already looks a little bit better now. What do you think? No, it looks like it fits. I reckon you just do gameplay and polish UI and stuff later, lol. Yeah, I know. But I just have too much fun doing this, bro. What should I do, bro? I just have too much fun doing this. Yesterday I spent the entire evening doing this editor thing here. Where I can now go ahead and properly spend... properly, you know... edit this skill tree. So for example, projectile speed. Oh, so this is what we were doing earlier. So now I think we can actually work on gameplay. There's still a bug here. These should light up. I do have an issue. Why? Maybe I'll just say connected node. And one of them is a root node, maybe like this. Shouldn't this be the root node here? This is the root node. They light up. So, but these don't light up. Interesting. So, oh shit. Now I turned this off. Okay, so they do understand that they are connected to a root node. Wait. So, wait a minute. This cannot be allocated, the node. How does your code compile automatically? No, it compiles, and essentially this is how it works. It's called hot code reloading. Essentially what I did was all of the code that you see here is turned into its own library called dynamically loaded library, DLL. Gameplay isn't important, get those roots lit. Yes, they need to be lit! Bruh. Wait. So wait, one of them can't be allocated, and then we turn these... And both of them have to be not the root node, I see. Wait a minute. It's not called hot reloading, it's called hot reloading. Niemand mag Klugscheißer, weißt du? Nur mal so am Rande. Okay. Exactly. Weak mental pork. You know, yeah. Hot code reloading because he's reloading his hot code. Don't you swear in German? I never swear. Steam comments be like pros, UI, cons, everything else. He loves us and cares for us. Yeah, that's what I said. Hey, man, bro. This doesn't make any sense. Oh, wait, maybe these need to be... So the connected node, root node, and... So essentially it's not a root node and it can't be allocated. But that doesn't make any sense. Moline save statement. Shh. Take a look at this. Please tell me this works. Take a look at this. Watch this. Wait a minute. Whoops. This thing's pissing me off. Go away. Don't change those, I just copied them. Not bad, huh? Yeah, just wait. What if, sir? I'm not done yet, I'm still cooking. What if this? What if this? Hell yeah. Nah, previous was better with the same color as root. Oh, you mean the green? True, I did have green, huh? But that doesn't mean that we need to have the same color as root. Nice. Now that is sexy. That is sexy. Come on, guys. Say it. It's sexy. It is. So boring, the same skill is reused so many times. This is fugly? No, you're wrong. You're totally wrong. You're absolutely wrong. I don't know what you're talking about, but you're insanely wrong. Green was better? Yeah. Did you use Git after your enums yesterday? Once you go, what you're going to make a huge clown commit that changes a bazillion things at once? Or are you going to make a huge clown commit? Come on, guys. You think green's better? Think the hero frame looks cluttered compared to the rest? Yeah, how about making available upgrades green? I don't know what the color on the hourglass means. Do I have that or not? On the hourglass. Come on, it's obvious you have that. Right? Hold my beer. Give me a second. Just a second. Okay. Oh god, this is gonna be gloriously terrible. But okay, G. Yeah, this is bad. Ooh, yeah. Shit. Whatever. Yeah. To make it absolutely clear to all kinds of people, you make a neon sign that is blinking, would say you have this, and an arrow. Why do you have to not separate frame sprite? Why do you not have a separate frame sprite? Because I'm stupid. Yeah. Okay, guys, my wife needs help for a second. Oh, it's so fucking warm, man. Hey, du. Danke. Ja, kannst du. Goodness. We have baby duties, my brothers. We have baby duties. She doesn't stop crying. What about the cold sore? It's almost gone, but I'm not gonna get much closer to her, yeah. It is essentially it's already popped. It's just healing now. You should build a UI frame called Cakez UI framework. Yeah, no. You guys tell me I should have a border for each of these abilities, yeah? And then I can just change the border instead of having to go and place the border manually. Thanks, you stopped doing UI. And then whenever I draw an ability, oh man, but I hate it. That sucks. Cute baby, thank you. Thank you, Zameo. Yeah, I feel you, man. Same here, but youngest is 1 year, 1 month now, so it's getting more and more involved. It peaks at 2 years. After that, they start getting more and more independence. Yeah. Ask your wife what she likes better. If not even she gives a shit about your 3 roots, why would any of us care? Shut the fuck up, bitch. Okay, I never said anything. Sorry. I mean, okay, you. Okay, sir. Yeah, she's very, what do you call that? Unruhig in English. Wait a minute, guys. What are you doing? It's so warm. You know, the big issue is not that she's just dying of warmth, man. You're warm, right? Du bist warm, hä? Meine Kleine? Ja. This head. She's spitting it out. She doesn't want it. She doesn't want it.
Gotcha, bitch.
It's too warm, guys. I think that's the issue. It's too warm for her. What if GGG announced PoE 2 is delayed 2 years because they need to slightly modify their skill tree UI? Okay, this guy's toxic. See you in 5 minutes. I'm getting a tub of ice cream, just letting you know. Oh man, I want some ice cream too. Okay guys, you're telling me that the UI looks bad? I think this looks good. If I change the outline to... I just have to somehow draw this. So let's draw this outline here for this particular skill, okay? Let's see how that looks. Okay? Stop it. By the way, guys, I think I outdid myself with this ability. It looks really good. Right, let's just draw this normally. B. And so how would we do this? If it's allocated, obviously it needs to be bright, right? So this is going to be bright. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Stop moving. Zoe. Stop moving. Stop it. Stop moving. No. God damn it. Stop it. She doesn't want me to work on the UI. So guys, this looks good. Look at this. And then for the non-allocated ones, we're gonna have it to be very dark. Stop it, you. Zoe, stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. It looks good, but you could have been doing this work in the future while gathering playtest feedback. I know. And let's see. I know you're right. Okay, so I prefer the green. But I don't mean to tell you to parent, but be careful with your chin on your on her head. Yeah, I am. I know. He's immigrating to Italy, get someone to run his store. It is. Even Zoe is sick of you, of your UI work. You are right, Ramis. Okay, so essentially, fine. Let's work on UI and just get rid of the changes that I just did, okay? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Woo! Stop it. I'm sorry. Stop it. Ja, almost done. God damn it. I'm sorry, I'm stopped working on UI, okay? I'll stop. Yeah. It's too warm, guys. It's just way too freaking warm. It needs to rain. It's 3 p.m. Debbie's not approve of undoing the work. No, she's too warm. Zemayo, thank you so much for 100 bits. This for the baby. Please put it in the savings.
Cheer 100. This is for the baby. Please put it in a savings.
She doesn't want the pacifier at all. Guys, I need to move with her a little bit. So you guys know this one here? We can like... Maybe this helps? This one? You like this? You like this? It's too fucking warm, isn't it? Yeah. You know, she hates the heat as much as I do. You can glue some Rettungsdecke with the silver foil outside your windows to reflect away the sunlight. Zoe knows good development process. She's unhappy with daddy's direction. I like that, man. I love that. She's like, yeah, no, don't do this. Oh, man. Yeah, Zoe, I'm sweating too, bro. What are we gonna do? Oh my god. She's just communicating. I know. She is. We need to go to in like a cooler or something. She's sweating, I'm sweating. God. Guys, I think I need to walk around with her. Yeah. Guys, I think what I have to do... Yeah, come here. Oh Gott. Es ist einfach zu warm. Ist auch hier drin ist sehr warm. Komm her, meine Kleine. Yeah. Like she can't fall asleep because it's too hot for her, and you know babies have like this instinct where they can't go to sleep when it's too warm. Like they get woken up by the heat. The same as when they're too cold, and the same as when they are hungry. She's not hungry. She's not really searching. She's just freaking warm. It's like completely sweating all over the place. Or if it's... She demands to know why Cakez missed the deadline again. No, so... Let's talk about this really quickly if I can. So the idea was the following, okay? If I have these... Stop it. Shield orbs, okay? Cooling sweater. If I have... You got a fan? Not really, no. If I have this ability, shield orbs, okay? And I can now affect them using projectile speed that effectively changes the gameplay of the game, okay? So take a look. I spawn this guy, I give him shield orbs, I let the plane, and this is what I actually wanted to do today before we got distracted. But I'm still happy that we managed to do a nice little feature in the skill tree today with the roots. You know, I'm very happy about this. I think this looks good enough for now. We keep it. And you can see how fast they rotate. Now take a look what happens when I put projectile speed to minus 50%. You see how slow they rotate? And so that means sometimes these missiles, they do hit the same unit twice, particularly when they are slow enough. You know? When they are slow enough. And so I could also go the other way, where I say, okay, well, instead of minus 50, I can increase the projectile speed using the skill tree. And then when we are purely talking about gameplay, let's get another unit. Game is ready. So this is the actual gameplay stuff I wanted to do, right? When we're purely talking about this, see how fast they rotate now? That means they hit this multiple times. And then I have... and then I need to walk around with her. In a minute. Ja, meine Kleine. Ja, es ist zu warm, ich weiß, meine Kleine. Baden hilft nicht. Ja, warte, ich krieg schon hin. Das geht schon.
Gotcha, bitch.
She doesn't like that gameplay. Yeah, true. Oh god, I'm sweating everywhere, man. I'm like literally, I'm like a pool of water, essentially. Alright, she has the pacifier now. So, here is what I'm thinking of doing. You see this shield right here? You can't see it because I'm in the way. Actually, now I'm even further in the way. So, like this shield gives me projectile speed. And so now I could go and add these changing mechanics to the unit. And so, let me explain this. More projectile speed on the shield would mean they spin faster. The blade. Oh, she lost the pacifier. Whoops. What was the damage increase for slow? 50%? I would have to test it out. Okay, guys. There's no point in continuing to stream. Okay, I'm sorry, but I just can't. I need to take care of the baby. She needs to, like, somehow cool down. I need to find someone to raid. I'm very sorry. Ja, alles gut. Alles gut, meine Kleine. Yeah. Let me find someone. Actually, I can't see someone right now. It's fine, guys. I will be online tomorrow. Okay? Sorry for the interruption. Ja, sorry. Alles gut. Mhm. Nice UI done today. Gameplay ready in 20...
Gotcha, bitch.
I'm actually gonna ban you before I leave. See you in 10 minutes, bitch. See you tomorrow, guys. She telling you she stopped streaming? She keeps streaming? No. Stop, sorry. See you tomorrow.